Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be starting our video editing series. In this series you will be learning video editing from basic to advanced. For this series we are going to use a video editor called KdenLive. So to download it, just search KdenLive. It is a free and open source video editor and has really good tools for video editing. So just click on this original website, make sure you check that this is the correct one, and then click on download. Once you click on download, just install this. Just click on this file. Now I'll tell you what is the difference between standalone and install. So I have already installed it. A standalone version is the version which is not completely installed in your PC. It is just installed as an exe file, which is portable, which means that you can move it directly from one PC to another. But this one is installed as a proper software and with proper license. So for this course we are going to be using the standalone version. So now I will show you. Now once you download it, you will get it over here. So now this is a 7-zip file. So once you open it, just let us click on more info and run anyway, and just you have to extract it. Okay, after you have downloaded, you will receive a file or a folder like this wherever you have extracted it. So just double click on the folder and then go in the bin and then scroll down till you get this file, KdenLive.exe. Now open this file and let us wait. Okay, so now this has loaded. So this is the main software. So from the next video we will start the basics of KdenLive. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel and also like and also comment #KdenLive. Thank you for watching.